Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to be talking about Capcut Commerce, how to make viral dropshipping ads for beginners, Capcut Commerce Pro tutorial. Imagine creating professional grade videos that sell without spending hours editing or breaking the bank. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a content creator, or just someone who loves telling stories visually, Capcut Commerce Pro is the ultimate tool to make your vision come to life. From stunning transitions to powerful e-commerce feature, this all-in-one editing software is like having a marketing team in your pocket. And guess what? You don't need to be a pro editor to create scroll-stopping content. Stick around because in this video, I'm diving into the must-know features of CapCut Commerce Pro and how you can use it to boost your business, grow your audience, and turn heads online. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, first things first, you want to head over to the official website right here, which is commercepro.capcut.com. Once inside, you can then go ahead and try a sample URL if you want to see how powerful this tool is. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on login, and if you don't have an account yet, you can just go ahead and create your own by going through with these options right here. You have Google, TikTok, Facebook, email, or you have the CapCut mobile. Now, right after creating your account, you will now be taken to your dashboard right here. If you created a brand new account, you will then go ahead and get this 200 credits for free. And just to show you how powerful this AI tool is, I'll go ahead and browse through a product here on Amazon. And let's just go ahead and say that I'm specifically selling this product right here. So I'll just go ahead and copy the link of this specific product. You want to go ahead and click on video generator, and from here you can then go ahead and paste your product link. Go ahead and click on generate and you should be good to go. You will then go ahead and see how powerful this AI tool is. And with just a few clicks, we have managed to create our product name, highlight the product's feature, we also have the product's photo and videos right here, and more. But first things first, let's go ahead and talk about the product's photo and video because this is one of the most compelling things about this AI tool right here. Now, with a few clicks, we have managed to create this photos and videos. Now, as an example, I've just copied a random link from Amazon and it presented me with this videos right here that I can go ahead and use for that sample product. Let's go ahead and view other ones as an example.
This is a review of our Amazon Basics.
And so right after customizing your product's name, the product's highlight and more, you can just go ahead and click on the advanced settings to go ahead and customize our scripts, avatar, and voices even more. From here, you can then go ahead and navigate through the direction of your video or the duration of your video. You have your 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 45 to 60 seconds. In our case, let's just go ahead and click on 30 seconds right here. And if I want to go ahead and present my video to a smartphone, I'll just go ahead and click on 9:16. If you want to present it to a YouTube format video, go ahead and click on 16:9. And lastly, if you want a Instagram format, you can go ahead and click on 1:1. We also have scripts here. You can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. You have your pain points, which is the product's benefits, use cases, challenging, and reply to. You can just go ahead and customize this however you want to by clicking on the customize button. From here, you have your avatar. We have a lot of avatar right here depending on your product. In my case, I'll just go ahead and select a recommended product. So the AI is in complete control of the software right here or the video. And lastly, you have your voice. Once again, just to show you how powerful this AI tool is, let's go ahead and select the Smart Match feature. After confirming all of the advanced settings, just go ahead and click on confirm. And lastly, you want to click on generate. Now, once again, I've taken this link right here from a random Amazon product. And with that product alone right there, we have managed to create this very engaging commerce video. Now right after loading, it will present us with this videos right here. Accurate lip sync will be available after the export. So let's just go ahead and watch one of the videos right here that the AI has presented us.
Struggling to stay grounded during your yoga practice? I was too, until I found this Amazon Basics yoga mat. With its extra thick 1/2-inch cushioning.
Struggling with slippery mats during downward dog? Say goodbye to slips. I snagged the Amazon Basics yoga mat. Its textured surface sticks like magic even when I'm sweating bullets. And wow, the 1/2-inch cushioning. My joints thank me after each pose.
Guys, gotta share my secret weapon, the Amazon Basics yoga mat. It's like doing yoga on clouds with its super cozy 1 to 2 thickness.
And so as you can go ahead and see, with no knowledge about editing, we have managed to create this amazing videos right here that's ready to be exported right away. Now once again, this lip sync is not yet final. If we go ahead and export some of this video, it will then go ahead and actually lip sync all of these videos at once. Now as an example, let's go ahead and export some of these videos. Now I like this one a lot, so I'll just go ahead and click on the export button. From there, you want to go ahead and click on download, or you can publish your videos right away. If you go ahead and click on this button, you have your name of the video, you have your resolution, quality, frames per second, and the format. In our case, we are going to download this video right here. Let's go ahead and select 1080p, which gives us a crisp resolution. And lastly, you want to click on export. From there, the AI will once again do its magic. And so now that we have the final product, let's go ahead and watch this video together.
Struggling with slippery mats during downward dog? Say goodbye to slips. I snagged the Amazon Basics yoga mat. Its textured surface sticks like magic even when I'm sweating bullets. And wow, the 1/2-inch cushioning. My joints thank me after each pose. Feels like cloud 9. All this comfort for just $21.98. Ready to upgrade your flow? Snatch yours now.
Now, if you want to navigate through some of the features here on the Capcut Commerce, you have something like the image studios, where you can go ahead and create amazing videos for your products. As an example, let's go ahead and click on products right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and search product by name or their SKU. In our case, let's just go ahead and use the yoga mat once more. From there, we then have these features right here like AI background, where if you go ahead and select an AI background, it will now go ahead and apply that to our image right here. And right after selecting your presets, you then want to click on generate. It will now go ahead and generate us with this AI images right here, that once again that we can go ahead and use for our products. Of course, you can go ahead and customize this if you don't like what the AI has presented. We also have something like prompt, where you can go ahead and insert something like this one. As an example, you have fast food, restaurant, or you can recommend a background for the AI to use. And so guys, that is our tutorial, or that is our review for the Capcut Commerce. You can just go ahead and use this product right here for free. You will go ahead and get 200 credits for free after creating your own account. If this video has been helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.